Hey there, fellow alchemists. Welcome back to Alchemist Mindset. I'm Adam, and today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Neville Goddard's imagination techniques. Get ready to unlock the secrets of manifestation and transform your life. Before we begin, remember, you are worthy, your dreams and desires are valid, and you have the power to bring them to life. Let's explore how. Neville Goddard, a pioneering mind in the realm of manifestation, believed that our imagination is the key to creating our reality. But how does this work? Let's break it down. First up, we have living in the end. This powerful technique involves imagining yourself already having achieved your desire. It's not just daydreaming, it's about fully immersing yourself in the feeling of your wish fulfilled. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine you've already achieved your goal. What does it feel like? What do you see? What do you hear? Engage all your senses. This is the essence of living in the end. Next, let's talk about revision. This technique is like editing the script of your life. Instead of dwelling on past failures or negative experiences, you mentally revise them to align with your desires. For instance, if you had a tough day at work, before sleep, revise that memory. Imagine the day going perfectly, filled with accomplishments and positive interactions. Your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. Use this to your advantage. Now here's a gem: feeling is the secret. Goddard emphasized that the feeling of the wish fulfilled is crucial. It's not just about visualizing, it's about embodying the emotion of your desire realized. Think about your goal. Now instead of focusing on the object of your desire, focus on the feeling it would give you. Is it joy, freedom, love? Cultivate and maintain that feeling. This is the secret sauce of manifestation. Remember, these techniques aren't about escaping reality. They're tools to shape your reality. Use them consistently, and watch as your outer world begins to mirror your inner world. As we wrap up, I want you to know that you have the power to create the life you desire. Your imagination is your superpower. Use it wisely, use it often. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on more alchemical wisdom. Remember, you are worthy of all the abundance life has to offer. Until next time, keep imagining, keep believing, and keep manifesting. This is Adam from Alchemist Mindset, signing off.